P block element HOTS by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. There are two questions. Nitrogen exists as N2 gas while phosphorus as P4, or oxygen as O2 gas while sulfur as S8 solid. Common answer is due to the formation of P pi P pi bond in earlier and not in the later. Question number third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. They have the common answer. NH3 liquid while PS3 is gas. S2O is liquid while S2S is gas. S2O is less volatile than S2S. Boiling point of water is higher than the other hydride. Or water is liquid and S2S is gas. Sulfuric acid highly viscous. Common answer is due to presence of hydrogen bonding. Question number 8, 9, 10, 11. NS3 to BiS3 stability of hydride decreases. Stability of hydride of 15 group element decreases down the group. S2Te is more acidic than S2S. Acidic nature increases from S2S to S2Te. Common answer is due to decrease in bond dissociation energy from NS3 to BiS3, or bond dissociation energy decreases on moving down the group. Question number 12 and 13. Bond angle decreases from NS3 to BiS3. Bond angle decreases from S2O to S2Te. Common answer is due to increasing size of orbital forming lone pair, which causes more repulsion to bond pair. Which is common answer. Bond angle generally decreases on moving down the group. Answer is common. Bond dissociation energy decreases from NS3 to BiS3. Bond dissociation energy among hydride decreasing on moving down the group, and the answer is due to increase in size. Question number 15, 16. There is common answer. Bond angle in NH4 positive is more than NH3. PH4 bond angle is more than PS3. In these questions, he is just asking about the structures of two. There are three bond pairs and one lone pair in ammonia oblique phosphine, while NH4 positive PH4 all the bond pairs of electrons. Question number 17, 18. Nitrogen does not form pentahalides, phosphorus forms. 18. PCl5 exists, NCl5 does not exist. Answer is due to the lack of d orbital, N cannot extend its covalency beyond 4. Are all 5 bonds in PCl5 equivalent? We have to draw the structure of PCl5. 3 bonds are equatorial and 2 bonds are axial, thus they are unequal. S3PO2, S3PO3 are reducing while S3PO4 not. जो ऑक्सो एसिड है उनको रिड्यूसिंग होने के लिए P और H का बॉन्ड होना जरूरी है. अगर P और H का बॉन्ड नहीं होगा वो रिड्यूसिंग नहीं होगा. इट मीन्स आंसर क्या आएगा? ड्यू टू एब्सेंस ऑफ PH बॉन्ड इन S3PO4, इसलिए दैट इज नॉट रिड्यूसिंग. SF6 is a well-known compound. 21 due to steric reasons. 22 SF6 is a well-known compound while SH6 not. F can promote electron from S and P to d orbital. Hydrogen can't do so. 23 first ionization enthalpy of sixth group is lower than that 15th element. Answer is it is due to the presence of half-filled p subshell in case of 15 group. Question number 24. N2 is very less reactive. Why? Due to the presence of triple bond in N2 molecule. Question number 25. Nitric acid acts as oxidizing agent while nitrous acid acts as both oxidizing and reducing agent. Why? Nitric acid is oxidant non-reductant. Answer is common answer. In nitric acid, nitrogen has maximum oxidation state +5. Vapor sulfur is paramagnetic in nature. Why? In vapor form, sulfur exists as S2 due to presence of two unpaired electrons in anti-bonding p orbitals. It is paramagnetic. 28. Bleaching action of sulfur dioxide is temporary while that of chlorine is permanent. Why? Since the bleaching action of sulfur dioxide is due to the reduction, so bleached object will regain their color when exposed to oxidation. Electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more negative than fluorine. Why? Due to small size of fluorine, it has more repulsion for the coming electron. These are the some arrange the following in the increasing order of property mentioned again each PS3 SS3 these are the hydrides of group 15 increasing boiling point, and then hydrides same hydrides increasing basic nature increasing bond energy. Answer is in front of you. Similarly the question number 31 and 32, generally one question from here comes. 30, 31, 32. We have the oxo acids of chlorine oxidizing nature. He's asking decreasing oxidizing nature. Okay, HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. Oxidizing nature is inversely proportional to the number of oxygens. Okay, HClO strongest, only one oxygen. In this way it is changing. Thank you for attending the lecture.